So if I get on this correctly, it shouldn't lift up or down. Right, okay, here's the job. It's a 3-star. I'm going to use the GJ Letterbox Tool because it's going to be a thumb turn on this one. So somebody's had a go at this one already. Right. So, which way? That way. Down to open. So, let's see. There's the handle. Right. Right. So if I get on this correctly, it shouldn't lift up or down. Yeah, like that. Right. Try again. To handle. So here's the handle. Cylinder. Right. Yes, got it. There you go. Lovely chubby. Yep. Excellent, that's it. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.